Hello students! Today, we will learn how to create a simple calculator program in Java using JFrame and NetBeans Apache. We will design the form, add labels, text fields, and buttons, then write code to perform different operations based on the numbers entered. First, let's create a new project. Go to File, click New Project, select Java Application, and then add a JFrame form to our project. This form will be our calculator window. Now, let's add labels. The first label will be our title. I'll change its text to calculator. Then I'll add 3 more labels and rename them to first number, second number, and answer. I'll also adjust their font style and size to make them clearer. Next, let's add text fields beside the labels. These will allow the user to enter numbers and see the result. Now let's add 2 buttons. I'll change the text of the first button to solve and the second button to clear. These will handle our operations. I will assign variable names to these fields for easier coding. fn for the first number, sn for the second number, ans for the answer. Let's write the code for the solve button. Here, we are telling Java that our program will use 3 whole number variables. N1 will store the first number typed by the user, N2 will store the second number, and ans will store whatever answer the program computes later. Remember, these are just containers for numbers. This line means, look at the text field named fn, get whatever the user typed there, and convert it into an integer. The program then places that number inside n1. So the computer does the reading and converting for us. Same process here. The program looks at the second text field sn, gets the text the user entered, and turns it into an integer, which is stored in n2. Now the program decides what to do. This first condition checks, is the first number smaller than the second number? If yes, then the program will add the 2 numbers together. Here, the program performs the addition, stores the result in ans, and then displays it in the answer text field. Notice it says the sum is, followed by the computed answer. If the first number is not smaller, the program checks another condition, is the first number greater than the second? If yes, the program subtracts the second number from the first, stores it in ans, and shows the differences in the answer field. If neither smaller nor greater is true, then the 2 numbers must be equal. In that case, the program multiplies them. It then shows the product in the answer field. Next, let's add code for the clear button. This simply clears the text fields so we can enter new values. Now, let's test how the program makes its decisions. If I type 6 as the first number and 7 as the second number, the program sees that 6 is smaller than 7. It chooses the first condition and shows, the sum is 13. If I type 7 as the first number and 6 as the second number, the program sees that 7 is greater than 6. It chooses the second condition and shows, the difference is 1. If I type 6 and 6, the program sees they are equal. It multiplies them and shows, the product is 36. And that's it. We have successfully created a simple calculator in Java JFrame using NetBeans Apache. We learned how to design the interface, add labels, text fields, and buttons, and write simple code to perform addition, subtraction, or multiplication based on conditions. Don't forget to practice and explore more with JFrame. See you in the next lesson.